count from 10.
Okay.
I think we don't have 10 yellow ones.
תספרי ונראה.
Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that's all of them.
Are you sure you counted all of them?
Huh?
Okay, count them again.
I can't.
Count them in Hebrew.
No.
Yes.
That's enough.
No.
Put them in there in the bag. I want to put them in the bag.
Wait,
now.
I need to make sure they're all there. Yeah, okay.
Okay,
All right,
okay.
now count the ones that are Adom. What color is Adom?
Red.
נכון. אחת.
No, I want to count from 10.
No, I want you to count in Hebrew.
No,
אחת.
from 10.
לא, בעברית.
No, 10.
עברית.
10.
ליה.
I want to count from 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10.
כל הכבוד.
We have 10 of them.
Okay, put them in here.
Let's go from 1. 1.
Ellie.
Uh-oh. Sorry.
Well, we gotta find it now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
All right, get on the floor and look for that marble.
Okay. I found their nail polish. I found one.
Okay, go ahead and put that marble in the bag.
Okay. 10.
Okay, now the last ones, count them in Hebrew.
But I don't want to.
But I want you to.
I can't.
Yes, you can. אחת.
No. Don't mess it up.
Whoa. Okay.
It was a number 7.
Okay, תספרי בעברית בבקשה.
Uh-uh.
למה לא?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right, good job.